नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सभी का हमारे चैनल चारू चौधरी में। आज इस वीडियो में मेरे द्वारा आपको इजी एसे ऑन होली इंग्लिश में लिखाया जाएगा। दोस्तों देखिए, अभी ऐसा है कि होली जो है आने वाली है और अधिकांशतः विद्यालयों में आपको टॉपिक मिलता है कि आपको ऐसे लिख के लाना है होली पर। तो क्या आप लिख सकते हैं? सरलतम शब्दों में मेरे द्वारा आपको बताया जाएगा। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आती है तो आप हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। होली is the most entertaining and joyful festival of the country. The Holi festival is the festival of colors. In this festival, every place looks colorful. Many of the colors we use on this day to play the Holi. In many states of India, it's celebrated with much fun. It has lots of joy and happiness by playing with colors. This festival comes in the spring season, which is the great season of the year. Festival of Colors. At the Holi festival, people enjoy the day by using colors on each other with the water and also without the water. It feels great happiness and enthusiasm in every person's mind. Different type of colors makes us attractive for playing the Holi with joy. Our India looks stunning with a variety of colors in this festival. In this festival, children make much enjoyment and happiness by playing with colors, and they also use the water gun for playing with colors. Festival of Love and Joy. It is mostly referred to like everyone who loves each other to forget all enemies. People play Holi with so happy mood. The celebration of the Holi is really joyful when the families come together and make it a very happy festival. It becomes much joyful with the family. On this day, we meet each other by doing handshakes and hugs. We take blessings of our elders in the morning and apply them on their foreheads. We wish to each happy Holi. Those people come in the home as a guest. We offer them sweets and snacks to eat. Musical joy. At this festival, we make so much fun playing music. Many of the musical instruments like dholak, kirtal, and are placed in Holi. We play Holi songs and also Holi religious songs. We make so much and dance on this day. Variety of foods in the Holi. At this special festival, we eat a variety of foods which is very tasty and yummy. The most important sweet of this festival is gujia. After that comes many of the sweets and chips, papad, halwa, pani puri, dahi bade, etc. Holika Dahan. There are many legends given as the reasons for celebrating Holi. Long ago, there was a king named Hiranyakashipu. He had a son Prahlad, a holy spirit and highly devoted to God. But Prahlad's devotion enraged Hiranyakashipu and he planned to kill his own son. He asked her sister Holika, who was immune to fire, to sit in fire, taking Prahlad in her lap. Fortunately, Prahlad, who was blessed by Lord, was saved and Holika was burnt to ashes. This gave birth to the festival of Holi. Before the Colors Day, the Holika Dahan has celebrated in India. People may collect many of the woods and unnecessary things for fire. The Holika inspires us for evilness destroys by goddess and it wins from evilness. On the next day, Holi is celebrated. Why do we celebrate Holi? We celebrate the holy festival with the triumph of God over evil and it stems from ancient Indian mythology. Its really important thing is that it comes in the spring season which is the favorite of everyone. It is a time of harvesting and brings energy days for us. Holi is mainly comes for love and compassion with each other. It is the main object of the festival. We should pass away that all things which give us only pain to our heart and bring happiness and lots of joy in this season and be present with everyone those want only our happiness. Avoid unhygienic colors. We should avoid unhygienic colors and chemical colors which can harmful to our skin. We have to make the safety of these colors and also have to teach others that don't purchase the chemical colors from the market, only buy the eco-friendly colors which will harm our skin and make safety. Importance of Holi. Holi is very important festival because in this festival people forget all the sorrow and comes together for a celebration of the Holi. Holi is the festivity of joy and happiness and it gives us a great message to be always friendly with each other. Holi festival plays a very important role to bring dignity and equality among us the people. We can never suffer from sorrow if we will be friendly with each other. It seems our goodwill and friendship manner. Our family becomes really supportive to forget the sorrow and quarrels of life. They play the most important role in the life. In every moment of life, people need their family, especially in Holi, they should be with together. If we will show our happiness to our parents, then they will be also happy to see us, at least not for us but for parents. It should be. On this great day, at least we all have to celebrate without any social distinction. The most important thing is that people should not involve that matter which is very bad for the country such as the caste system should not involve in any festival. Everyone should celebrate the festival by making unity. It is also much important that every people have to celebrate with happiness whether they are rich people or poor people. There should not be any distinction between them. The poor people want to celebrate this festival with much fun and joy with each other. The Holi is that occasion when we forget the cares and anxieties of us and celebrate with great joy. Evils of the Holi. In Holi festival, many of the people are evil. They don't have the manner. They celebrate the Holi in evil ways as they drunk on this occasion. They indulge in rowdy behavior and apply unhygienic and bad colors which is dangerous for health. Some of the people sing bad and indecent songs and abuse women. That all things should be neglected from the country and it should never happen. Conclusion. We should celebrate Holi in a decent way. We must realize that it is a festival of joy and friendship. We should share our joy with others. We must not behave badly. The real spirit of the festival should be maintained. थैंक यू वेरी मच। तो दोस्तों ये ऐसे था होली पर जो कि बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट त्यौहार है हमारे लिए। तो उम्मीद करती हूँ ये वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत ही उपयोगी रही होगी। अगर आपको और भी टॉपिक्स पर ऐसे चाहिए या फिर कोई टॉपिक पे आप वीडियो चाहते हैं तो आप मुझे मैसेज कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए। आप हमारे चैनल को लाइक कर सकते हैं, शेयर कर सकते हैं, सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं। वीडियो को वॉच करने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।